component field tests that we've undertaken over the last few days have really worked very well. We've challenged our new technology across a range of scenarios that first responders are expected to respond to and to see how it benefits them and performs in those situations. We've seen them in a natural and realistic environment. The first responders have had the opportunity to give their feedback, which will only benefit the technical partners in developing these solutions.
Well, our part as THW is actually being the project lead, so we are taking care of all the administration, financing stuff together with the European Commission and our project partners. We also provide our first responder experience based on our real user missions. We provide drone pilots, we have rescue operators, and all their knowledge will lead to a better technology in the SYNERGISE project.
So the range of technologies that we've tested have been information management, which allows first responders to get better situational awareness and make better decisions, which will ultimately make them more effective and safer. We've used wearable technology so that team leaders can keep track of the welfare and health of their teams when they go into these situations, particularly under rubble or into fire situations where they lose sight of them.
We are from the Unified Fire Brigade and we participate in the SYNERGISE project to explore innovative technologies and collaborative solutions. And by working with our partners, we strengthen our organization and we can contribute to a safer environment for everyone.
So the scenarios that we've challenged the technology against have been across the board, from fire, where we've used real fire and heat situations, to urban search and rescue scenarios where we've had people trapped under rubble, in basements, and required rescuing from different situations.
Well, the last couple of days were quite interesting. We had extensive testing of the technology which we can use within the project. It will definitely be a benefit for the safety and the security of us as first responders being on threats in a real operation.
We've learnt a lot. We've learnt about the thresholds of the technology as it stands at the moment. We've learnt how we want it to develop in a more user-friendly way for the first responders.
It's been a couple of great days here in Poland and we got to test equipment and take it to another level. The next part is that we're going to get together in Sweden, in Stockholm, in June, and we're going to test the equipment again.